Samsung is not the only company that will be coming out with its foldable smartphone. Xiaomi was known to be working on a prototype, and it has now come up officially with a foldable smartphone that it may launch in the near future. You're watching India Today Tech. I'm Rahul Sethi, and let's take a look at this new wonder of a smartphone. So while Samsung just gave a glimpse of its foldable smartphone in a very dark lit presentation, Xiaomi's co-founder Bin Lin has outrightly put out a video that shows how the Xiaomi's foldable smartphone will look like and how it will work. Initially, the device is shown in a tablet format, and Bin Lin is shown surfing an application on this tablet-like form, but soon he rotates it in the landscape form and folds it from the right and left corner. In the 51-second video, Bin Lin shows the functioning of the foldable smartphone that he is using at the start of the video as a tablet, scrolling through photos on an application. The size of the device appears to be around 8.5 inches, though for a smartphone it appears broad and short, but it nonetheless becomes smaller compared to the bigger device, and to our surprise, the screen folds 360 degrees to the back side. Not only that, he locks and unlocks the smartphone again to make sure that you're looking at a real smartphone and not a dummy of it. Foldable screens are quite fascinating, but they're not easy to make, and that is what has been keeping Samsung away from creating a proper, working, marketable, foldable smartphone. But now that Xiaomi has made this device into a real working prototype, it has created a foldable display and a new interface to go with it. You'll see as soon as the phone is folded, the interface now adjusts to the new screen size. This, Xiaomi says, was one of the few major challenges apart from making a screen bend, and so do the cover on the top of the screen. Like the Samsung foldable phone, Xiaomi phone is also reduced into half the size when it is folded, but these two phones work in a very different manner. The Samsung phone had a bar-like form, so it looks more handy and more phone-like when it is folded. But when folded, Xiaomi phone certainly looks better with its infinity display kind of feel and no bezels around the screen. In comparison, the Samsung phone looks more traditional with a bar-like thick form factor, very similar to old Nokia feature phones, if you will. No specifications of this smartphone have been revealed yet, but Xiaomi releasing this footage means that it has been working on this phone and that this technology is definitely feasible. And we may also see a phone like this in the near future, although Xiaomi has not revealed any timeline of when it will be launching this phone. It has asked the users to pick a name for this phone. Foldable smartphones may not be very practically feasible right now, for the very fact that they have a bending display makes it very fragile, and the fact that the battery that can be put inside that small form factor for a big screen may not give it power enough to last a full day. But the fact that the displays can be bent and folded over and over again makes a new proposition for the smartphone industry. We may finally be able to hope that there will be devices that have bigger screens than their form factor can manage. Not only Samsung and Xiaomi, many companies are coming up with their foldable devices, and we may get to see it on the upcoming MWC event in February. Do let me know your thoughts on this new Xiaomi foldable smartphone in the comment section below, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology, smartphones and other gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.